Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to my maths online class. So we were learning exercise 2.6, right? So today let's continue the chapter. So all of you open your books, page number 23. Students, in last class we discussed question number 1 and question number 2, right? So today we will discuss question number 3. See, fill in the blanks using Roman numerals. An hour has dash minutes. So an hour has how many minutes? 60 minutes, right? So we have to convert 60 into Roman numerals. Okay, let's see. So an hour has 60 minutes, right? So we have to convert this 60 into Roman numerals. How? Now see, 60 is nearest to 50, right or not? So in the table we know the symbol of 50. What is the symbol of 50? That is L, right? So how can we get 60 from this 50? If we add 10 with this 50, then we definitely get 60, right? So see, the symbol of 10 is X, L, X. So according to rule 3, if one or more symbols are placed after the symbol of greater value, the values are added. So this is greater value, L. This symbol has greater value than this. So this is addition. So there is no problem. We have to write like this, LX. So 60 means LX. Understand? Here you write LX. Okay. Now say B. India got republic in the year. So we know that India got republic in the year 1950. So we have to convert 1950 Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. See. So in our last class we did this type of questions, right? So see, what we have to do first, we have to write the expanded form of this number. Okay, so write the expanded form first. 1000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 0. Now see, we know the symbol of 1000 according to the table. What? M. Now see, 900. So we did not, or we can't find out 900 in the table. So we have to find out this 900 with the help of 1000. How? We know that 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900, right? Now 50. 50 means the symbol of 50 is what? L. 0. So the number 0 did not have its own Roman numeral, right? Now see, M. 1000. 1000 means what? M minus, and 100 means C plus L. This. So in Roman numerals we cannot use these addition subtraction symbols. So we have to erase this symbol. And first of all we have to remove this. How? So see, the value of M is 1000 and the value of C is 100. So the value of C is less than M. So we have to place C before M because the value of C is subtracted from the value of M. Okay, M, C, M, and this L. Understand? Now we have to put M, C, M, L here. Okay. Now see, Commonwealth Games were held in New Delhi in the year, we know that the year is 2010. So we have to convert 2010 into Roman numerals. Now again we have to write the expanded form of this number, 2000 plus 10. 2000, we can write 2000 like this, 1000 plus 1000 plus 10. So simple. We know the symbol of 1000 M, symbol of 1000 M, symbol of 10 is X. Very simple. Understand? So here we write M X. Okay. So students, I have done this for you. You have to do D and E. Okay. Now see question number 4. Which of the following Roman numerals are meaningless? So we have to find out which Roman numerals are meaningless. How? First, here Roman numerals are given. We have to put the values. After that, we will subtract or add the values. Then we can say that which one is meaningless or which one is correct. First, let's see example A. See, I see. So first of all, you have to remember values of each of the symbol. Okay, so we know that value of I is 1 and the value of C is 100. Okay, now see, I is smaller. The value of I is smaller than the value of C, right or not? So we have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger value because I is placed before C. 100 minus 1, so the answer is 99. Okay, but we know that the Roman numerals of 99 is X, C, I, X. See, XC means the value of X is 10, the value of C is 100, so we have to subtract 10 from the 100. Plus this is Ix, value of I is 1, value of 10 is X is 10 and this 1. So see, 90 plus 9 is equal 99. So the correct Roman numeral of 99 is this. But in the exercise, in the question, the value the Roman numerals is given like this. This is meaningless. Understand? So like this you have to do this. Okay, so students, it's your today's class. I hope you all understand the Roman numerals. So keep doing your homeworks. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.